Hi, hello. Myself Prapula Kumar. I'm a lecturer in chemistry. Today I'm discussing the topic is today I'm discussing the topic is synthesis and manufacture of gamaxin and uses. So here gamaxin. Gamaxin is different names are calling linden, gamaxin, gamalin. Sometimes it is incorrectly as a benzene hexachloride because why it is telling incorrectly. So benzene hexachloride, for example, if we consider benzene ring containing, there is a alternative double bond is there, but these double bonds are whenever consider this benzene hexachloride there is no alternative double bonding at the attached carbon atom. Here the chlorine atoms in the 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 6 comma 5 comma, so these are all 6 carbon atom attached to the 6 carbon ring of benzene at removal of one hydrogen with the replace of chlorine atom. So incorrectly that says it is commonly named as cyclohexachlorocyclohexane. It's a commonly name, but incorrectly we call it as benzene hexachloride. It is an organochlorine chemical that isomer. It has been both used agriculture, insecticide and pharmaceutical treatment for lice and scabies. So it is used for lice and scabies. So pharmaceutical treatment, lice and scabies. So it's one of the major treatment for using this gamaxin compound. So this is the structure of compound. Here says it is the compound, it containing a plane of symmetry, center of symmetry, all the 6 carbon atom attached to the same number of carbon ring. So there is no alternative double bond. That's why we call it as it is incorrectly benzene hexachloride. So commonly name. So next we are go to the synthesis of gamaxin by using, first we are using the benzene ring with a simple the exposure of sunlight, the slow process. It is a chlorination process. Simply we call it as it is a chlorination process. In this chlorination process we are synthesis of gamaxin under 500 Kelvin temperature. We are using this synthesis of gamaxin. So here the chlorination takes place 3 into 2. There is a 6 chlorine atom are attached to the cyclohexane ring. So that's why it is simply method for the synthesis. And next we go through the preparation. So whenever this consider the preparation of the reaction takes place, here the preparation takes place benzene hexachloride any several stereoisomers, because stereo means rotation of an angles of 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 hexachlorocyclohexane formed by a light induced addition of chlorine to the benzene ring. Before I am telling light exclose, light means a sunlight. So simply the benzene ring, the break the bonds in the benzene ring to attach the carbon atom containing a benzene ring. I am showing this simply written in the benzene ring. So here it is, I am writing benzene ring. These benzene rings, when addition of chlorine, here it is, I am writing on the slide. So whenever the benzene ring containing, here it is, there is an alternative double bond. This double bond under chlorination takes place. Here it is radical formation, break the bond, and here it is also break the bond to abstract the proton. So with elimination of hydrogen to replace of hydrogen to chlorine. So this is the chlorination process. It is a simple process by breaking this bond by the sunlight. So here the gamma isomer, which makes up to 20 to 25% of this mixture, is more soluble than other isomer in certain solvents and can be separated from them. Gamaxin is prepared by radiation from cobalt 60. Gamaxin prepared by radiation of cobalt 60 has shown in the gamaxin content. The crude material is independent of dose rate, the benzene concentration and duration of the chlorination process. Duration of the chlorination process, the concentration of benzene also important in the synthesis of gamaxin. Why the concentration is different the reaction? Whenever increasing the concentration, the rate of reaction also increases, and time is with respect to the reactant. Then next we go through the uses. So here the gamaxin has been used to control variety of insects pest in agriculture. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ gamaxin has been used to control the wide variety and the different types of insects are present in the environment. To control the insecticide to kill the leaves, plants, roots, and whatever different types of diseases were causing the agriculture field, and public health and medicinal application. So one of the very important for human being, the public health is very important in the environment, and the exposure, ingestion, inhalation in the air, soil and water. So water we are consumed, air is inhaled the pesticide smell and defined emulsified concentrations, and medicinal applications. Some of the medical applications are used. For example, if we consider calcium oxychloride, it is a bleaching powder. In bleaching powder, the chlorine is used to as a disinfectant for drinking water purpose in the uses of drinking water. So therefore it is available as suspension. So gamaxin is available in suspension, means it's a liquid, and emulsifiable concentrate. Emulsifiable means it is a type of paints, emulsions. It is a mixture of oil with, it does not corroded or does not alter the gamaxin compound. That's what. And fumigant, seed treatment, wettable and dustable powder. Fumigant means this gamaxin, whenever adding some of the acids, it is a liberation of gases. And seed treatment, wettable and dustable powder. Ultra low volume liquid. So low volume liquid is a slow effect, but it is a standing the plants and increasing the crop yield. The pharmaceutical uses, linden medications continue to be available in the US though since 1995. So next, one of the very important factor, human and animal health. So dermal exposure, dermal means it's a study of skin. Whenever the dermal exposure is an important consideration when evaluating linden toxicity, because of linden's therapeutic use as scabicide in creams and lotions counterparts. So nowadays thus we could not expose directly on sunlight our skin. The lotions are using, and the scabicides creams are used for the treatment to avoid the sunlight to get mutation on the skin. So these are the, whenever at that time the pesticides smell or it aerially distributed over the environment, some of the infections without knowing, itching or different cramps or possibilities. And oral exposures, so animal studies shows neurological and reproductive effects following acute exposures. Acute linden decreased the motor activity, whereas the repeated dosing increased it. So this is the reference. Thank you for watching. Thank you. So here we are considering this reference. So go through this and availability in this reactions. And one more thing is there, acute lindane is decreased the motor activity, whereas the repeated dosing increased it. So the gamaxin decreased the motor activity. So our whenever the increase of the dosing rate, whenever some compound, if it with ml in liquid or gram in solid, variation takes place or increasing, the acute diseases are formed. That is one of the important thing in gamaxin. So thank you for watching. Thank you.